Hello friends, welcome back again. So in the previous video we have understand about uh, learn API and creating the backend services for our software. So in the previous video we have just created the API is different, and we have understood about the program class code where we have done the build the service provider. And let us just quickly review the entire code, and after we will just understand how to consume the API. So this is basically our learn API project, which is just created the backend services. This project can't return a view. So basically this project doesn't return a view. Basically, let us go here and let us see, does this project add a view. So this project doesn't add any view because this is an API project and this is inherits from controller base. Okay, basically we have understood about the dependency injection and the setup of our project, the connection to the database. We have understood how we connect to the database by using connection string, by using different packages, important packages which are very important, like entity framework core, core.design, core.sql server, core.tools, and these kind of packages we have installed. The other thing what we have done here is, uh, when we just run a command called scaffold db context, and we have just automatically by db first approach we have run our project, and just everything has created automatically. So we go into tools and just package manager console, and we have run the command scaffold db context, and our project was already created. So now let us understand about product data context. This was the automatically generated class which was automatically generated, and which provides us product status, which is the table in our database, and this product status is a db set. Okay, so we used this, and this is entire dependency injection. What we have done, let me understand you why we use this everything, why we use dependency injection. Basically what does it do? So let us suppose an example. Our program class name is a kitchen. We are the customer. We are a customer and we are going to some hotel. So this hotel has a kitchen. The kitchen is program.cs class. Okay, which have all the functionalities, all the food. This is the food product data context, and this is the add db context, and this is the services is the service provider. Okay, so this is basically the food, and this program.cs is the kitchen. So what we done is there, this private read only product data, this is the empty plate. This is nothing but basically an empty plate. And what is our constructor here? Our constructor is basically better. Our constructor is a better. Learn API controller public constructor. This is better. And what is this context? This context is basically menu card. Menu card. Okay. So we are ordering our food in this context, and the food is coming and it is saving here. The data is coming, and the dependency our .NET container automatically, service container automatically provides everything what we require. All the data will come into this context, and this will go to this context. This empty plate is now filled. Okay, now our API are nothing. If we want to get all the data, all the food, so we will get by this to list. If we want to get by the particular specific food, like I want chicken biryani only, so I will get by it id. I will find the food and just get the food. If I want, for an example, I want to something update, I want to add some salt in it, so I will add the salt by myself. Suppose I want to some ask the menu card, ask the mm, uh, waiter, please give me some delicious dish others, like give me some, provide some uh, masala dosa, for an example. So it will provide us the masala dosa. And what, who will provide this? This will provide, this constructor will provide the masala dosa to us. Okay, so basically this is the work. The other thing we want to update our menu, so we can update, and in the delete we can delete what we want to delete. So this was basically our API creation process. We have created our API, we have just use our API and we have seen. So now in this video, in this lecture, we let us understand about how we can consume our APIs. So this is though these are our 2 to 4 and 1 5 APIs we have created. Now let us understand about how we can consume the APIs, because that thing is very important. Currently our APIs are not hosted anywhere, so we have to run these to consume our APIs. And let us see. First I will create a model. Why I need to create a model? I need to create a model because I want all the data, and all the data will come in this model, and then our project will work. So we basically, model is our first priority. Let us create a model name as product. Okay, the product model is created. Now I want all the properties here. I have two ways. First I will create the properties here by writing manually code, and the second way is what I will do. I will just take this API, try it out, execute, and just copy this JSON. By copying this JSON, I can get easily the ID, name, and entire property. It will fetch automatically from database. But I don't want to get from here only. What the other way is? Other way is like just go and remove them and just write API select line API, our project controller name, which is basically defined as in routing. So see, controller name API slash, this is route defined here, API slash controller name. Okay, so this is the controller name, and just we will paste a special here, inline consumer API, just edit and paste a special, and just all the classes will automatically come. I will remove these things, control X, control X, control X, control KT, control Y. So this is automatically all the properties are generated here. And now the next thing what we will do is we will consume our API. So let us see, we will see in the next video how we will consume our API. Or let us do it in this video only.